hoping this will help. This is problem number 2. I think part of the issue is that they're not being terribly forthright with what they expect you to do. I don't know. I guess just kind of play around and I don't know. There just aren't directions. You just have to figure it out, I guess, and that's not very comforting, but I'm hoping this will kind of help because I'm going to tell you how to do this one. One of the words that helped me was frequency, and then you see this list of numbers, so we're looking at how many times they occur in a group, which they're calling a class. This particular problem I've done about 4 or 5 times now, but this variation is the one that's most difficult. So if you find one that's just kind of giving you a headache, just hit topic menu here, and then you'll get a fresh problem that might be a little more simple, but I decided to figure this one out and go with it. So it says, we've got the list of numbers, an initial class boundary of 14.5, ending of 49.5, and 5 classes of equal width. I just did some simple division to figure that out. So our width is, I think it's 8.75. Like I said, weird. We're only going to need the 4 columns. I start by labeling. So our midpoints, I'm going to go in here. I'm not going to bother with the numbers because they won't really matter for you. So you have to bear with me while I type. And I'm not going to worry about getting it right or wrong because, well, the process is correct. If you have to redo it, they're going to give you a different problem, just a heads up. So I've got my midpoints in. Some of them have you list the beginning and ending, others are doing midpoints. Personally, midpoints are more annoying, because you just have to figure out that many more things. So and then you just drag these up for how often this list of numbers occurs. Oops, how did I do that? So like this one is between 14.5 and 23.25. In this list there were 8 numbers in between those values. So 18.875 is the midpoint of that class, and there were 8 occurrences. And that's that. So we've got 2 and 1. And then these are just if you need to add as many or as few as you need. The fewest I've seen on here is 3 so far. Usually about 5 or 6 max, so it's not like you have to do like 20 or anything. It's not ridiculous. It's pretty simple actually. It just takes a little time to figure out. That should be it. Let's see what they say. Yeah, it doesn't like it, but still, that's how you do it.